Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Anglo Eastern DNA स्पॉन्सरशिप एग्जाम 2022 फॉर फरवरी बैच उनका फॉर्म ऑलरेडी आ चुका है। मैं इस वीडियो में आपको पूरा दिखाऊंगा कि आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलेगा, प्लस उनका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, क्या प्रोसेस है, कैसे फॉर्म फिल आप उसका करेंगे, सब कुछ आपको इसी वीडियो में मैं दिखाऊंगा। But before start this video, I want to say that if you want DNA sponsorship exam study material, psychometric test study material, interview question, you will get all the study material from my description section. There you will get some links, and from that links you can get the study material. So guys, let's start today's video. So guys, Anglo Eastern DNA sponsorship exam 2022 for February batch. Their form is already released. So this is their website. From their website, you will come to know about all details about the DNA sponsorship examination form 2022. But at first I want to say that from where I got this information. So if you want to get this type of verified information, I'll show you one things that you can see. This is the Anglo Eastern Instagram page. Okay, so on their page they have posted one post. The DNS online test for the upcoming batch has begun. Okay, someone has commented that it is for February or August. You can see that it is written you can attempt twice per batch. Okay, means you can attempt 2 times for one batch. This is the information. So you can see it is already written, visit this website to fill the DNS form online if you have recently applied, and it shows you a notification that you can apply after 90 days. Okay, so now I will go to this website. So this is the website. Once you will click on this menu option, then there will get admission option, then you have to click on this DNS course. Once you will click on this DNS course, then you have to click on, then you will get this page. Here you will get all the details about their eligibility criteria, educational qualification, how to apply, English age limit, everything is given. Just go through this. This is the full process: registration process, payment, seat booking instruction, what is the syllabus. If you want the study material about their psychometric test question and your sample question, you will get the study material and sample question in my description section. So you can see that the panel 2, it is a psychometric test. Psychometric test, it's a very important test, because without this test you will not get you cannot pass the exam. So this is also very much important. So this is all about their all details. So now I will show you how to apply. Okay, once you will click on this apply now button, okay, you will come to this page. So there some information is available, so you have to read all the things, and then you have to click on agree. Okay, you have to click on agree. So now you have to fill this first name and last name. Let me put my name only, and it is 277B65. Okay, this is the form you can see. Okay, this is the form. Okay, so you have to fill this form, and you have to put your Aadhaar number, date of birth, upload Aadhaar card, category, everything. All this red star mark is the mandatory. Okay, so you have to fill all this information, and then once you can see once this form will be submitted, then college will contact you through their mail. Okay, on their Instagram handle it is also written that one thing you can see here. Okay, do not worry, you need not reapply for the form. Wait till the selection team gets in touch with you through mail. Okay, means वही लोग आपसे contact करेगा college वाला, and if not, you can always drop a query request to for an online test date for upcoming DNS batch on this email ID career.c@angloeastern.com. So in this email ID you can send your questions or query if you have any type of doubt. Means if you have filled the application form but till now you have not received any type of email, that time you can send a query email on that email ID. It's all about their DNA sponsorship examination form. So just go ahead and fill this form. All the best for your exam. So guys, if you like this video and if you think this video may be helpful for your other friends, so don't forget to share this video to your other friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button also. So guys, today I'm ending this video here only. Take care and bye.